Hello my friends, welcome to the third tutorial on the digital calcs. Today we're going to go and take you back to my Instagram page, so grab your mobile, let's go on the virtual tour, MichaelCole Millionaire Stylist. When you get there, you're going to see the link tree, hit link tree, and what I want you to find today is the debt reduction calc. You'll know that you hit the debt reduction calc because it says debt free, and that's where we're going. When you're debt free, you're half rich. Okay, so this particular calc is where we eat the debt that we're in one debt at a time. So pick a debt, any debt. And if you have credit card debt, let's start with the credit cards. If you're done with credit card debt, go ahead and move to car debt, student loan debt. It makes no difference. This calculator shows you how much money you can save in interest and how quickly you can get your asset out of debt by using the debt calc. So pick one, anyone. We'll pick let's pick a credit card. And a credit card, I think the average credit card debt now is around $2,000. So it could be a Visa, Master, American Express, makes no difference to me. Go ahead and plug in 2,000. The annual interest rate, a lot of us, we don't even look at what the interest rate is, but the average, by the way, now is high teens, as in 18, 19, 20% or more. I coach a lot of people that have annual interest rates on credit cards that are well into the 20s, and I don't want to take you down that rabbit hole. It can be a little bit overwhelming. So let's just pick an average. It says 19%. I'm going to plug in 19. And it says what is the monthly payment that you've currently been making? And many people make their minimum payment. And minimum payment on a credit card now, I think it's probably 3 or 4% of the balance owed. So let's just say that your minimum payment is around $80. How's that? So I'm going to put 80. Now, as we start running up our income, not only do we want to begin saving money consistently, persistently, perseveringly, but at the same time, we want to begin chipping away, eating the debt, the elephant, if you will, one bite at a time. So while we're saving money, at the same time, it's like multitasking, we're going to begin to chip away at debt. We're not going to wait till we have a lot of money saved before we start paying off debt, or we're not going to wait to pay off debt before saving money. No, we do both at the same time, and if you can't afford it, you go back and re-watch the Dream Machine calc, because we can always jack up your income. Now, I'm going to suggest that we're going to add an additional $100 a month to the 80 that you're putting on. So put on there another $100 a month and go ahead and calculate it. All right, take a look at what that says. It says that you've just reduced your payments. You reduced from 33 payments down to 13. You cut it more than in half. You reduced the payments by 20 payments, and you lowered your interest rate from $566 to $217. In other words, you saved almost $350. Isn't that cool how that works? So you can take any debt, whether it's your mortgage on your home, your second mortgage, a credit card union debt, a car payment, student loan, credit card, and this is what we do as we take each debt and we set a debt reduction goal. It tells us how quickly we can pay this off and how much money we save when we do. So good luck to you on this, and once you get debt-free, you'll be half rich, and go ahead and either DM me on my Instagram page or messenger me on my Facebook page. I love to hear your stories. Now, if you really like this, go ahead and subscribe, because I have many more calculators for you to see as well.